Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing some surprising things about walking in a fashion show. Hey guys, Allie with NGM Modeling, and I'm gonna jump in here with the first surprise is that you are going to have very little time to change your clothes. It's chaotic backstage. It's gonna be a lot more chaotic than you can imagine, and you just need to be prepared to move very, very, very quickly when you get back there. The next thing is that you'll get paid after. You're not gonna get paid before the project. You're going to get paid after you have done the work. So, don't expect to get a payment up front for that. You'll get that afterwards. And then the last thing is that you are going to get a ton of amazing pictures from this fashion show from photographers reaching out to you. And you'll be surprised. A lot of them will reach out to you also for projects in the future as well. So this is really good connection to have as well. That's a benefit of being a part of a fashion show. And then the last thing is that you can't be too shy when you're changing backstage, because a lot of times, like I said, it happens really quickly. It's very chaotic, and you may not get a ton of privacy. Just be prepared for a few surprising things at your next fashion show. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me a comment if you had any of these things that surprised you, or if you have some other surprising things, and I will see you on the next video.